Let me share an opportunity with you to change instrument engineering and design in making it easier and faster to do with the new release that's coming out of SmartPlant Instrumentation 16. This is a version that is, full of innovation, full of new user experience, and full of new tools to make you more productive. One of the key elements new elements in SmartPlant Instrumentation 2016 is what we now call the engineering data editor. Instrument engineering is about, maybe 80% about managing data, creating data, changing data, editing data. And for that, of course, you need the right environment to do that, if that's the majority of the task. So this is a very, very key element of this release. You can customize this environment to suit your particular task. In other words, you can have an EDE for an engineer that will focus on specifications, or you can have an EDE for a designer that focus maybe on wiring. SmartPlant Instrumentation is not designed for computer or IT gurus. It's designed for engineers and designers. So now we have created an environment which we have called the Query Builder, which allows the engineers and designers without any knowledge of the data model to compose the EDE. So that is what the Query Builder does, and it is a unique capability that we did not have in a previous version of this product. And we will also allow you to create the reports and information out of the database for deliverables. About 2% of the total cost of a project is related to cables. There's a lot of work involved into managing the cables, and there's a lot of cost involved in buying the cables. Now, what we have done in 2016, SmartPlant Instrumentation 2016, is the ability, of course, to design the cables in SmartPlant Instrumentation, then move the cables into the 3D environment where they do the automatic routing, and get the cable length and the routing back in SmartPlant Instrumentation. Now that's a great benefit because it reduces, the time, the risk, the cost of managing these cables, and it makes sure that from an engineering perspective that you don't have the cables that are too long or too short, and that are routed correctly in terms of signal segregation. So this is a great feature and a great capability in this version of the product. Managing project is extremely important, and we have delivered in this version of SmartPlant Instrumentation 2016 a capability to actually do that very efficiently and very easy. The idea is that it's applicable for both EPCs as well as for owners. The scenario is that when you have a project, there are multiple parties involved, multiple contractors involved. And SmartPlant Instrumentation 2016 has this capability that allows you this merging and creating of these different project pieces, and allow you to support these very complex workflows in a very, very easy and efficient way. Now, integration is about sharing the data, but sharing the right data with the right application of the right disciplines. And what we have done in SmartPlant Instrumentation 2016, we have greatly enhanced the way that you manage the data that you share with other disciplines. And we call that the to-do list. So in this to-do list, you get actually with color coding very, very clearly indicated what items are created new in the other disciplines, what items are updated, what items are deleted. So that's the big improvement and a big benefit for using SmartPlant Instrumentation in the integrated environment. Now, there is no alternative for success, and our customers are always asking for innovative, new solutions to meet the challenges, because there are always bigger challenges in the industry, and I believe we have done so with SmartPlant Instrumentation 2016.